this? Girls' night out?
Miami Vice.
Funny. I thought that was me.
A little bird told me she was a friend of yours.
I knew her, but she was no friend. She liked to come around and brag about how great she was doing. Liked to rub it in.
About what?
After she got into alcohol, she had some important jobs, mostly for athletes. She liked to brag. She also used to like to laugh about their idiosyncrasies, if you know what I mean.
Like knocking her around?
Beats me. She used to laugh about this one jock whose eyes are bigger than... When he couldn't get it on, he got a little upset.
Who is this guy?
Football. Highlight. Some highlight player.